So today we have a Ford Fiesta 2018 7th generation. We're going to remove both the rear quarter glasses. This is a rally car, it's getting a total rebuild, it's just a shell at the moment. So the windscreen was damaged. I think all the other windows were damaged actually, and I'm just here to remove these two rear quarter glasses because they're going to get reused when the car's rebuilt. I couldn't get inside the vehicle because of the roll cage, so I decided just to remove the quarter glasses with my long handled knife. So I'm just using a bit glass cleaner on there just to give the blade a bit lubricant so it doesn't get stuck. If you try and cut the glue out when it's dry, it's really hard to slide through it. So the glasses are basically bonded all the way around where this black band is, all the way around the glass. And the mouldings that you can see on the glass are actually part of the glass made in the factory. When the glass comes out of the factory, that's how it comes. It's all moulded. It's an encapsulated unit. So I'm just using my blade here to cut through the glue. Now as you can see, I'm just cutting the glue through the glue, and I'm going to scratch the bodywork. There's nothing, it's unavoidable. We've got about half an inch of beaded glue to cut through all the way around the glass. You just got to take your time and make sure you don't damage the glass. I'm probably going to scratch the bodywork, but this vehicle's getting a full respray. It's getting rubbed down. There won't be any rust on it. It won't rust. Just keep putting glass cleaner on it. Just making it easier for the blade to cut through the glue. I'm just doing a lot of this cutting away with feel. I've done this hundreds of times over the years, so I don't really need to get in and look at it as I'm cutting it out. I know exactly where I'm cutting. But if you're doing this yourself, just take your time. There's no rush for it. Once you start getting the glue cut away, you can pull the window out gently, but don't pull it too much or it will just shatter. If you haven't done it before, you're probably just better taping the window up and not putting any pressure on it, pushing it or pulling it out, because it will probably break. As I say, I've done this loads of times, and I have had a couple break as well. So I'm just nicking down the last corner here. It should be quite close to getting the window out now. It's quite tricky to get right down in the back corner of these. I'm trying to do it so I don't cut the paintwork too much, but as I say, it's getting a full respray. So that's the first one out. Just get my chisel, always with a sharp blade on it, just cut the old glue back, just making sure you don't damage any of the encapsulation on the glass. Just cut this right back to the glass. It will leave probably about 1mm of glue left on the window. That's what you want left on it to reactivate with the new glue that you put on. And just do the same on the bodywork. Just cut it right back. When you're cutting the glue back on any vehicle, always try and push away. Don't pull the chisel towards yourself. I'm still guilty of it, but as soon as I realise I'm doing it, I stop. Always push the blade away from yourself. If you're pulling it towards yourself and you slip, you could obviously stab yourself. And I'm just going to do the same on the other side. Just starting on this front edge, I can get the blade in between the bodywork and the glass. Again, taking care not to damage the encapsulation on the glass. And once you get this bit cut down, you can start cutting it from the inside. If you feel you're struggling to cut through the glass, put a new blade in it. Just making life hard for yourself, trying to cut through it with a blunt blade. Once I get to the bottom there, I'm just putting pressure on it and just shaking it back and forward until it goes right through the bottom. And I'll do the same at the top. I think these windows have been fitted before. I noticed that as soon as before I started cutting them out, there's when you get a new window, I've got a new window. When they're fitted, the new windows are fitted in them. There's like a couple of plastic locating clips attached to the glass, and they just sit into little holes on the bodywork. They weren't there, so. So they've probably been removed and refitted before at some point. It is a rally car, so possible it's had work done to it before. Always wear gloves when you're using knives, pretty obvious. You don't want to cut yourself. So this one was causing me a little bit of problems. There was quite a lot of glue on this one. And as I say, right at the back at the corner, it's quite tricky to get the blade into it. Just got to take your time and just nick away at it slowly. Whatever you do, don't pull the glass out too far or it'll just shatter. I know there's just a little bit left here and it's just catching the trim, the encapsulation on the unit. I can just pull it away. That's it out. Again, I'll just cut the glue back with the chisel. Just getting it ready for refitting it whenever it's ready. I'm pulling towards myself again, shouldn't be doing that. Just go into autopilot. I do this every day. Luckily I don't stab myself every day or I wouldn't be in the job. And finally just cut the glue back from the bodywork on the other side. So that's two successfully removed quarter glasses getting reused. So once this vehicle's all built up, painted, I'll be coming back to refit these. So hopefully I'll try and remember to do a video on refitting them and see what the car looks like. Just looks like a climbing frame at the moment, completely stripped out, nothing in it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you later.